Welcome back to another episode of Keigo Moriyama Photography, and today we are going to check if the InstantKon RF70 by MiNT has some secret inside. Can it support multi-format? Let's check it out. Is the MiNT capable of using not only the wide format but the mini and the square as well? Let's open the back of the camera, and the first things that we will notice is that the items used, the spring used to push the back of the film, are exactly separated here. That means that technically we should be able to put other format. So let's start with the square one. So when we are going to close, we notice that unfortunately it doesn't work. So as you can see, the problem is that this part is going to touch one of the edge of the InstantKon cartridge. Does it mean that it doesn't work? I'm not sure. Honestly, we should try removing this one, but because this is not my camera now, I can't do that. So let's say that at least for now, the InstantKon is not a supported format. Let's move to the InstantKon Mini. So the InstantKon Mini solved the issue that we had with the InstantKon because we can close it. As you notice, it's not perfectly closed. It's a little bit too hard. So I feel like, as you notice, that it's not fully closed here. That means that the camera doesn't support this multi-format. But if we open and we keep pushing, does it mean that it doesn't eject? Exactly. So the camera is not capable to take any of the other formats. So even if it's a promising things, and looking at the back seems like it can support other formats, who knows, probably in the future. So far the InstantKon Mini, InstantKon Wide is the only format supported by this camera, the InstantKon RF70. Thank you for watching this short video, and see you next time. Stay click. Bye.